Bahama, Miss Niger. Well, welcome to Beauty Africa International Pageant Story Store. Today we are at Niger State at Gurara Waterfalls. Gurara Waterfalls was founded in 1972 by a hunter called Buba, and later on was discovered by the foreigners as a tourist center. Gurara Waterfalls is 30 meters in length, and Gurara Waterfalls was named by or after two villages, that is Gura and Rara, which were joined together to become Gurara. And Gurara Waterfalls is in Gurara village. So presently we are in Niger State at Gurara village. Thank you very much.
Yourself, so make you do something, zombie. Waka waka, zombie. Do something, zombie. You gotta follow, so make you do something, zombie.
Them boy they waka waka, they follow. They waka waka, they follow. Them boy they waka waka, they follow. They waka waka, they follow.
So you want a good life, you wanna party all night, but at the same time, you just don't wanna do right. Cause tomorrow, you gotta follow. No food for lazy person, when on no road. You want make the naira, you want to make the dollar. You gonna wait for Mugu, make you hustle, find your own road.
You wanna make the naira, you wanna make the dollar. Just go on and hustle, ain't no time for you to waste.
Hello. I'm not old school, babe. Okay. I'm eating. That's all. Hi. Yes.
Show yourself, so make you do something, zombie. No, they do yourself, so make you do something, zombie. Waka waka, zombie. Do something, zombie. You gotta follow, so make you do something, zombie.
Them boy they waka waka, they follow. They waka waka, they follow. Them boy they waka waka, they follow. They waka waka, they follow. Them boy they waka waka, they follow.
Come
They waka
on,
waka, they follow. Them boy they waka waka, they follow. They waka waka, they follow. Them boy they waka waka, they follow. They waka waka, they follow. Them boy they waka waka, they follow.
come on.
They follow.
Ooh, do my thing, do my best, keep it real and keep it strong. I try to be the best that I can be. No need to force it. I try to understand the best I can. No need to force it. In the beginning there was fire.
Gurara Falls, I'm having so much fun.
Fire on the mountain, fire got the chair and the fire started something. Started thinking about the way some people feeling, where some people feel about the way some others feeling, yeah. In the middle of the something, pictures on my mind of how the industry is growing. How some people fast and how some other people slowing. How some people flowing, like one day I been they chop some banla before they come. He come they start to holla. They wanna see me see wahala. I say now wetin I go do to stop this palava. If I slap 'em now, them go say I dey follow too. But if I leave 'em now, them go say I dey fear. So I start to search for the answer, whether I get the power to face this castle I try. Because of the repercussion, like I know do something wey go make me end up for station. You know this we nation, that's so them buy the ready one, we still dey get inflation. Oh, what a massive situation. I had to, for me to get this inspiration. But some don't go to suppress my depression, till I by my side to ease up my tension. Back to the bone of contention. I had to cool the nagging down to explain my position. I said, I try to be the best that I can be. No need to force it. I try to understand the best I can. No need to force it.
My old friends that I never get to kick it with claim since the money came, I've been acting different. It's not that I'm dissing them, it's just that when you ain't talking about money, it's kinda hard to keep listening. Be in the club done with money like paper planes. So much money you would drown if I make it rain. I went from drinking pure water, now ace of spades. So how the hell they expect me to stay the same? Since the paper came, I'm in and out the stores a lot. I'm getting cocky with it too, I like to floss a lot. Got white diamonds in my ear, more in my watch. When the money talks, all talking stops. I'm just doing me, like masturbation. So I can't be bothered by these bastards hating. The attitude is just the way that I am. So I guess I'm just everything they say that I am.
I try to be the best that I can be. No need to force it. I try to understand the best I can. No need to force it. I like to walk and talk it like a radio. See, my life is like a video, rough and tough like a rodeo. Don't let no bugger tell you different story, yo.
See, because you see me on your television, or because you hear me from your radio station, no mean say me can start to malfunction. I keep doing my thing, doing my best, keeping it real.
I just want to give you a brief history about the waterfall. This waterfall has its source from Kacha in Kaduna State. Yes. And Joseph and Niger in Kogi State. And this waterfall was discovered by a hunter called Buba in 1745. Wow. After discovering it, the villagers of this community use this waterfall as their god. They worship it every end of the year. By ending of October and early November, through a movement of a certain fish, they are the only fish that can climb this rock where the water is falling. They are not up to 1 centimeter. They move in millions. They go for the production from the source every year. This waterfall is at its peak by the month of April to November, and low by December, January, lowest February and March. And the government of Niger State is doing everything possible to develop the area into international standard through private-public partnership. They have demarcated a land about 1,105 hectares. We want to put hotel, international polo ground, golf, swimming pool, hydropower and irrigation, parks, mountain biking, golf course, and zoo. That's just little about the waterfall.
Thank you very much. Who was the first person who discovered this?
I think I said the first person who discovered this place was a hunter. Yes, in 1745, by a name called Buba. Eh?
Does this river in any way go dry? Like
No, it will dry, but it will never stop. If you visit around February and March, you'll be seeing people around. People will be swimming, and it will be very, very clean. Very, very clean. Why is dirty now? Because of rainfall. No, we have snakes. We even have pythons. We have pythons around. But They don't come just like that. They are not harmful.
Ain't keeping it strong for my people and my dogs. Keeping it wild, making it real like it's real blouse sound. Rocksteady there is a bad man sing. You know, I will do it when we're coming out the dance hall. It's a real rude boy selector singing on the scene. Hey, keeping doing my thing, yeah. Keeping it on, oh. Keep on keeping it strong, yeah. Oh. Keeping it strong, oh. Keep on keeping it on, yeah. Keep on rocking this scene. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I try to be the best that I can be. No need to force it.